playing Airplane 1. Okay. Okay, I'm sitting. Okay, the others are like, come on, let us in. Okay, I'm finally joining in peace. Yay. Okay, wait, okay, I'm gonna tell you what I mean. I just lagged earlier. So I had to level. Okay, so, okay, just need to, found my seat. Okay, it's over here. Okay, it said B8. Where it's here. No, this is, okay, so this is my chair. Say it! Say it! Come on! Why can't I say it? Wait. Okay, finally! I finally sat. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 9998. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time at our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay, I'm just gonna look around here because, okay, so that we can find the scissors and stuff. Wait, I can't find. Alright, so, here's the place. Whoa, okay. It'll be a bit difficult to, okay, I'm gonna go over there. Hi there, he says. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way there. I'm scared because we're gonna be finding, now please find your seats. We're about to take off. Okay, I'm gonna say, come on. Yes. Who not sit will dead. What? I knew. Not necessarily die. Oh, come on. He's not necessarily gonna die. Thank you for your cooperation. Yay. Okay, I'm just gonna walk around. I can see. Get ready as our crew prepare. Okay, here are the scissors. Alright. Here are the... Okay, wait. Hello everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Okay, what? Hey, why? Okay, sandwich. Okay, so I heard that. Okay, so I heard in some game, no eat food. Why? Okay, I'm just gonna ask why. Why? No eat food. Why? It's delicious. You died. Only one is allergic. Okay, so I'm gonna say, okay, this means one is allergic. Oh no, I'm allergic to mayo. Okay, I just said one is allergic. Come on. Okay, what? Okay, there. I found it. He found his own bag. Wow. Phew, that was a close one. We're scared. Alright, so let me sit. I need to sit. Come on, sit. Good afternoon to all passengers. I'm for you. We've been reaching a stable attitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay, I'm gonna do an I'm gonna do something a bit advanced. I'm gonna go find the bathroom door. I'm gonna go. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. Okay, I'm gonna do here. Okay, restroom. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go. Uh-oh. It appears that we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to... Okay, I'm gonna tell... Stand... Guys, look what's on the right wing. It's the monster! I know. Okay, I just need to find which bathroom door is the one. Okay, look. Restroom. To restroom. You will not survive. Are those snakes? Snake? Are those snakes? Uh-oh. Snakies. I hate snakes. They're poisonous. So I'm just gonna stand here while I try to protect myself from some ugly snakes. Here. Creepy snakes. Snakes. Creepy. Alright, so which one? Are those snakes? Guys, there's a... Come on. Oh, I got in. Wow. Okay, wait. I look absolutely fine. Okay, I'm gonna say be advanced. Okay, I'm gonna say be advanced. Be advanced. Okay, I'm just saying be advanced. Be advanced. Well, OMG, poops. Ew. Ew, he's pooping. Disgusting. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Don't look, he says. Why? Ew. Looking. We should discuss. Oh. So what happened now, right? Okay, so what now? Wait, okay, power is back up. She says power is back. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. He says. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Your attention path. Okay, bad news. I'm scared. What's gonna happen to us? The good news is the power is back. I'm from Thailand. Okay, so she's from Thailand, but she speaks English. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oh no. Oxygen mask will drop over your seat. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Yes! I'm saved! Poor guy. Please hurry. I don't want anyone to get hurt. Please don't. I know. Someone's gonna die. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go sit over here. Yay. Oh no. What? Oh. Uh-oh. 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 What? Oh my god. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no, someone has a bomb. Where? What are we going to do? Creepy. Run. Go find the scissors. Okay, everyone. Calm down. Okay, where? I should we find something to cut the cable. We might be able to save Nathan. That's literally himself. Come on. I found a pair of scissors. Now, which cable? He will decide. Which cable should I cut? Blue? 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 Did it stop? Oh! Okay, I was just guessing. We did it! He saved! Yay! We saved Nelson for 400W. Nailed it! We saved it! We saved him! We saved him! We saved him! Okay, I just say it. We saved him! Okay. Weird. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. Okay, so she's... Okay, wait. Oh, so she... Wait. Oh, this is mine. This is mine. All because of me. Oh. I was Okay, so she says blue. I was guessing. I haven't heard the crew in a while. We should look for them. Check. I found them. They are unconscious. Where? We need to assemble the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, run. Go to the... It's locked. Uh-oh. Run. Oh no. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Uh-oh. Don't. This door needs a code. I found the code. If we might be able to open the door. Okay. I finally found the code. I'm scared. Something in me is tingling. Captain. Uh-oh. It's the monster. It's the creature. It's the cute creature. Garrett Lampton. It's the creature. Oh no. You will pay for what you've done. Oh. Okay, so oh shoot. Oh shoot. You're like an imposter. I brought you here. All of you. Really? Wait, is he our mom or something? No. That's not possible. Pete. Ew. Ew. He's like, ew. 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 Uh-oh. Okay, we're gonna need something. We need to crack the code. Uh-oh, there's too many buttons. See you in the afterlife. Oh no, what do we do? Click everything. Okay, I'm just gonna tell them. Click everything. Everything. Click everything. The captain is unconscious. Click. The plane is falling. We're going to do. What are we gonna do? Oh no, poor captain. He's lying there unconscious. Uh-oh. We need to find the autopilot button. Okay, click everything. Click everything. Come on. Everything. Come on. Okay, I'm just gonna jump everything and find that button before we die. Okay, I'm just gonna click all this. Even this. Okay, there's so many buttons. How many buttons does this even? I found the button. Woo! We're saved. Yay! Yay! We're almost done. Okay, but who will drive? I guess I'll drive. Guess nothing will hurt. We did it. We saved the plane. Okay, so yes, true. We saved the plane. It has been a very crazy flight. Yeah. I just want to be at home already. Be home already. Let me ride the plane. Okay. But choose the right choice. The right choice. Okay, but choose the right choice. But choose the right. Okay, so I help. Okay, but choose the right. Hello, we need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. The autopilot mode is on. Okay, we've traced your location and we are taking control. Let me. Is last one. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Okay, who would that be? Find someone to sit on the co-pilot side. Alright, I'm gonna... Me! No, me. Please tell me it's me. No! I need to go. Alright, quick. Make... Okay, I'm gonna help her. Okay, I'm gonna help her. Choose the right choice. Choose save. Okay, choose save the plane. Okay, I know what. Choose save the plane. I don't, because I'm scared. What's gonna happen? Oh no, it is back. We will not die. We will not die. Mwahahahaha. You humans are funny. What? What's so funny about us? Your destination has already been written. Yes, no. Last chance, kitty cat, meow, 111. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. No. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. Is he sleeping? No, he's faint. He faint. You humans are weak. This is not the last time you see me. Yay, we saved the plane. Woohoo! Congrats, guys. It's gone. Wait, he said it was not the last time we will see him. That means, what did he mean? He means that he'll... Master, no. Who cares? It's me home now. I'm about to throw up. Oh no, she's gonna throw up. Yay! It's victory! Yes, we survived! Woohoo! Victory! Congrats, guys! And thanks for helping me in this video to complete this game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!